Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nanda Nandananga Vande Shri Radhika Charanandayam Shri Gopijano Shamajuktam Vrindavano Manoharam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gaurang. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Sri assembled devotees. All glories, all glories, all glories. There is questions. There is Damodar sent. Actually, it's a question from Bhaktarup Prabhuji. Can Maharaj Ji please kindly explain in 10 ways Lord Balaram served Bhagavan Sri Krishna? 10 ways. It is explained in Chaitanya Bhagavat that how Balaram is serving Sri Krishna. First, he becomes Sakha. Sakha means friends. Krishna's friend. Sakha. Then, brother. Also serving as a brother. Anything needed, always actually Balaram aid to protect his brother in that way. Then Chamara means then Asana means asana actually means sitting mat, but here should be Singhasana. Bhushana means ornament. Different ornament. Then Vastro, cloth, outfit. Chhatra, umbrella. In Ananta says form, visualize. Then living place, wherever Krishna lives, that place prepared by Balaram. Living place. We can say Griha. In Hindi, Sanskrit for Griha. Then Ahovana means a vehicle, any kind of chariot or anything. Also Balaram is there. Then we can say Shayana. Shayana means bed. In a bed. So this 10, I think. This 10 way. This is explained by Vrindavan Das Thakur in his Chaitanya Bhagavat books. Chaitanya Bhagavat book. What is this? Bhaktarup or same, I think this. Same. This turn I already explained. Then what else? Krishnamurti, Madhavi Dashi Ukraine. I have a question. Can we share with devotees who are close to us intimate things which are happening in our spiritual life? We should tell it only to elevated Vaishnava. Which things can we share? Anyway, can we share anyway? So, which are happening in our spiritual life? Can we share with devotees who are close to us, intimate things? Means you want to say like intimate realization, spiritual realization can share. Just share intimate, whatever you have, realization, spiritual realization. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, not to share here and there. Apana bhajana tatha na kuya jatha tatha. Don't speak here and there. Jatha tatha means here and there, means every places. Should be selective places. Selective. What is selective? Means which higher, which really your evolution higher and like-minded. Those persons you can share your intimate realization, intimate spiritual realization. Or we should tell it only to elevated. I already explained that. Which things can we share with us? I already explained that. Then, I don't know. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. This is Falguni. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to all devotees of Lord. Dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisance questions. What's your opinion on having pets like cats and dogs living inside home? First of all, you have to know the utility. In spiritual world also have dogs, parrots. So, if you have utility for that, then you can keep. Otherwise, I think better to ignore, just waste of your time to spend time behind them. If you need pet, so you can keep it. Yes. Australia. No, Australia will not come. So far I understand, I got so many messages, 55 messages, I cannot check now. Anyway, so these are the questions, these are there. Then we can go through the today's session. 7 jam, okay. রাধা কৃষ্ণ যুগল আচার উপাস্যের মধ্যে কোন উপাস্য প্রধান amongst the all spiritual practice, what spiritual practice is the best? In this regard, Ramananda says, Jugal Radha Krishna now. Jugal Radha Krishna now. The Radha Krishna now. This appear Radha Krishna. Hare Krishna Mahamantra is Radha Krishna. Then I already explained that the seventh, actually 8 jam, total 8 jam means 8 times in a day Radha Krishna, they are manifesting different pastimes. I think I explained until 4, right? 4. Fifth jam, just Radharani back to Javat from Radha Kund. And on the way, he also think that he should prepare some food for Krishna. Fifth jam, yeah. This Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed in such manner the song Shri Radhika grihe gela Krishna lagi birochila Nana vidho khadda upoharo. When Radharani coming back on the way, he thought that she should prepare some food for Krishna. What for Amrita Keli, Gorpur Keli, such type of, Krishna like fruits, not fruit, food, sweet stuff, not sweet stuff. Milk with sweet, such type of food. Gorpur Keli, Amrita Keli. Gorpur means camphor fragrance. Amrita means nectarian taste. Then, what happens on the way, when Krishna coming back from cow herding, at that time, she just prepared Natarammo besho dhori priyamukhe khano kori Purnanando pailo aparo. So Radharani prepared that all these Radharani prepared all these preparation and she enjoyed Radharani to see the Krishna coming back, to see Krishna's beautiful face. Then Krishna also coming. Krishna Aparanna means afternoon time. This is all first times afternoon time happen. So first jam, it is 6th danda before sunrise. Second jam, 6th danda means 2 hours 24 minutes. Second jam, 6th danda after sunrise. So after sunrise, 2 hours 24 minutes. Each danda means 24 minutes. Third jam, Krishna going for cow herding. Going for cow herding with all these associates. It is around after sunrise, 2 hours 24 minutes after sunrise is the second jam. Then after that until midday, this is total. And then midday to 2 hours 24 minutes, it is called fourth jam. Then after that, fifth jam now is coming. Krishna now coming back to home. Radha prepared all the food. On the way she offered, and she looked that Krishna's beautiful face. And then sixth jam, Radha again prepared. My spiritual master used to say, Radharani hand never become dry, always wet. She always preparing something for Krishna. Therefore, once you can see our Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he says, this is our religion is a kitchen religion, always cooking. And this is fact also. Krishna's devotee, they love to eat very delicious, nutritious prasad. So she also prepared prasadam, nanavidha mishtana, and prepared prasadam, sweet stuff. She sent for Krishna through one of her associates, Sakhis. And she is eagerly waiting to get the Krishna's remnant. And then all this, Mother Jashoda also greeting Krishna. 6th jam. So everything, Mother Jashoda greeting Krishna, everybody busy to prepare Krishna in between. And Krishna will take bath, also milking cow. What Krishna did morning time, evening time will say, also Krishna doing the same thing. After greeting Mother Jashoda, Krishna went to cow shed, Goshala, and milking the cows. The 6th jam. 7th jam, Krishna and Radha already prepared to go to bed, but Vrinda, one Sakhis, she gave signal, so Radha appeared accordingly to that Sanket Kunj. And also Radha gives signal, Krishna also appear hidden manner, they meet each other in Sanket Kunj. And then that is the pastimes going on. And Radha also prepared by Vrinda, prepared her outfit, prepared by Vrinda, this waning moon cycle. Then Radha wearing black color outfit, waxing moon cycle. Then Radha wearing white color outfit, such type of things. And 8th jam is too intimate, I don't like to say. This is Dhamma in brief, like that. Just think about this 7 times, the first times. I think 8th jam you are sleeping, no need to think about water. You need, because we are actually material body, we have to sleep. So, this is in that way Radha Krishna's now. Even you can see this different type, Radharani and Krishna, they have 2 parrot, Suk and Sari. Radha's parrot, Sari, Krishna's parrot, Suk. They are debating. In that way you can see there is explanation about Radha Krishna's name. Just you can see and can go ahead to think about Radha Krishna's name all the time. Remember their name. And then Mumukshu and Bubukshu Gati. Bhukti Mukti Banche Jai Kaha Duhar Gati. Mukti bhukti banche jai. Mukti means liberation. This is question. This question asking by Lord Chaitanya to Raya Ramananda. Mukti, actually, again I am telling you this. Although outwardly we see Lord Chaitanya asking question and Raya Ramananda giving answer, actually also Lord Chaitanya giving answer through Raya Ramananda. So, bhukti mukti banche jai, kaha duhar goti. Then Raya Ramananda answered, sthavar deho devo deho, joichi avasthiti. Mukti, mukti means liberation. I think I explained before, mukti is there is different type of mukti. Sarupa mukti, sajujya mukti, salokka mukti. Sajujya means merge with the Lord, but it is impossible to merge with the Lord. Actually, Lord have lot of effulgent, this ray coming from his body. To merge with that ray, they are thinking they merge with the Lord. Not like that. Like sun rise, then you can see the sun ray coming. If you just think about sunlight and you are touching your hand, sunrise here, so you are touching sun. It's not possible. Same thing. So the Sajujya, but Sarupa means same form of Lord. Like Gajendra got Sarupa Mukti. Sarupa, Sajujya, Shalakka, same abode of Lord. Samippo, near to Lord. Sasti, same opulence of Lord. Such type of five type of mukti. Those mukti who has desire to get it, what is their destiny? Destiny is a sthavar deho, devo deho. Sthavar means such type of material. Sthavar means what is visible, what is material, you can see. Such type of body they can get. Deva deho, like goddesses body, Dev and Devi's body. According to their avasthiti means according to their destiny. Like God and goddesses, they are staying at heaven. Very comfortable place, no doubt. But you have to know this is not your ultimate identity. So therefore, Vaishnava, they don't want mukti and mukti. And bhukti also, bhog. Bhog means enjoyment. So, mukti, bhukti, manche jai, kaha duhar guti. Bhukti kami, mukti kami, bhukti kami, and bhog kami, on enjoyment. Kaha duhar guti, what is their destiny? Then Raya Ramananda says, Sthavar deho deva deho joicha avasthiti. Sthavar. Mukti, they can, but that is not their ultimate destiny. So, Vaishnava, what they want? What is the definition of mukti for Vaishnava? I think I explained before, for Vaishnavas, mukti is to serve Krishna's lotus feet. to serve Krishna's lotus feet. That is the definition of Vaishnava's mukti. But whoever asking that 5 type of mukti, sthavardeya, they can have sthavarayangam, like sthavar means we can say non-moving living entity, like a stone form. Stone form. That stone someone made Krishna's platform, like Krishna's Singhasan, Krishna's temple. So, near to Lord, some opulence of Lord. Everything is near to the order. Everything there. Is someone, maybe the tower, a stone made with Krishna's murti. Same form of Lord. Yeah. So what to do? You want to do such a mukti? Then you can get it. He becomes stone, from the stone prepare Krishna's murti. If you want to be murti of Lakshmi Devi, so Lakshmi's murti, Narayan murti, in that way. So Vaishnava doesn't want. Vaishnava wants to serve physically. So Sthavar Devo, Devo Devo, Jaicha Avastiti. Bhakti means bhog, enjoyment. So if you become the God and Goddess's body, then so many people they are coming to your temple and they are worshipping, and you can have the heavenly comfortable life in that way. Gyani of Bhaktir Sadhan Vaishishta. Gyani means who wants to merge with Lord, and Bhakto, devotees. Sadhan Vaishishta, significant of their spiritual practice, the practice. So there is this one. Orashogga kakchushe Gyano nimmo phale Rashogga kokil khai Premamro mukule. Kak means crow. You can see their tune is not that much melodious. Ka. You can see. Even I have seen also. I think all of you know we had a sannyasi named Bhakti Sampad Narayan Maharaj. He used to stay at our Mayapur temple, 7th floor building, top floor he used to tell. So he was super healthy sannyasi. I thought he will alive and I will die, because he is almost 10 years older than me. Not 10 years. 7 years older than me. I was thinking I will die before him. But all of a sudden, this Kartik, last Kartik, then year before Kartik, means 2020 now. 2018, Kartik time, 50 crore every day on the top of it, this on his window. Ka. I asked Maharaj, why they are disturbing? He said, I don't know. He is actually German body. That's why I don't know. It looks like, I heard from our parents or grandparents the symptom of our living body, Whenever we are leaving body, crow always coming. Caw, caw, caw. Huh? So, I had some doubt about it, but I saw Maharaj is super healthy. So how is it possible? Maybe something wrong going to happen in our temple. So what to say? It was Kartik, means October, November. Then December, even the January, he came to preaching purpose with me. Before me, he arrived at the village, then I met with him. I came from South Africa, and then I met with him. And then he says, even he attended 2-3 programs, 3 days he was with me. And then 4th day he says, there is no effective program for, because all village guy, they don't understand, and you have to always translate so I can go, but I have to prepare the water treatment plant. And okay, Maharaj, you can go. So many speakers here. I have no time to give them chance to speak, so you can go. No problem. He coming back after 14 days. Devotee says Narayan Maharaj's whole body is swelling. He says he is not feeling well. Just look. 27 January, he just left me, went to Mayapur, and after 15 days, then he was hospitalized. Then 15 days he was managed to survive. Then middle of our Navadip Dham Parikrama, he physically passed away. So crow, that day I just realized crow is just or Ashok. There are no good things they will give us. Always bringing us bad things. Orasakka kak chuse gyano nimmo phale. Gyan, knowledge. Nimmo means bitter. Fall is fruits. They are always Gyani, they are just, they are thinking they are going to merge with the Lord, but actually not like that. Lord, Supreme Lord Krishna's expansion, Vishnu's effulgence from, means Vishnu's effulgent form, coming some rays from his effulgent form, that they are merging to that ray. And they are thinking they become Vishnu, which is not possible. Finally they feel beaten. They feel that we are in the wrong place. What we are thinking, it is not that. What we have understanding. The Rashakka Kokil Khai Premam Manukule. Rashakka, which Rashakka means melodious. Rosh means melody. Rashakka means melodious. Who is melodious? Means bhakto, devotees. Why? Because they don't want to merge with Ray. They don't want to be near to Lord. They want to establish the real identity, eternal identity. What is eternal identity? Is to become eternal servant of Supreme Lord. Eternal servant of Supreme Lord. Therefore, they always want to serve Lord. You can see devotee temple, Vaishnava devotees temple. They are serving temple like they are Atmabat, how they are eating, how they are living. They are trying to prepare Lord's requirement 100 times better than their living style. According to their uh, capacity. Like some devotee have financial capacity, they are preparing very opulent manner, nice flower, nice fragrance flower they are buying and they are decorating every day. Not like a artificial flower they are buying made with plastic, they are buying from marketplace and they are keeping maybe whole year same. They are also, if you have devotee, you can see they are changing outfit of Lord every day. But which Mayavadi temples, if you go there, they are permanent outfit there. Permanent means outfit this actually made with stone. It's fitting on their body. No need to change anything. Even you can see we have some Mayavadi tendency. They are not thinking about Lord exist in their deities. Therefore you can see they are sitting in a very nice, comfortable room, air condition, summertime air condition, winter time heating system, everything there. But in temple, if you just go there, there's Mangalarti going on. When one person get up, maybe in the temple campus, maybe 200 people living there. But only Pujari get up, and there's a music, this one instrument. There is gong is there, korotal is there, mridanga is there, everything there. Just put on switch, and then dang, da dang, dang, da dang, dang, da dang. This once Anuradha went to that place, the Rishikesh, Muniji's place, with her all associates. Means she has some friends, a group of traveler, maybe 30, 40. So they according to the Muniji's request or order, living to that Paramatma Niketan center. And then they become surprised, all these followers, Anuradha's followers. They says, hey, no one there, only we are there. She had also no idea. She had no idea that there is no one there in Mangalarati, just like a machine. And one instrument, the machine, everything making sound. It's like that. But bhakta, they want to attain. Because devotion, spiritual practice means fixing our mind towards the Lord. So how to fixing our mind? They always thinking they are serving, physically serving. Service establishes relation. Service is helping us to establish relation. A relation is most important. No service, no relation. So, devotee, they are Rashogo. Why Rashogo? Because Supreme Lord is embodiment of Akhila Rasa, means all type of rasas. So Kokil means Kuhu bird. Kuhu bird, they always taking such fruits which is really, really sweet. The mango. Kuhu bird taking mango. Premamro, means loving. Mukul means flower. Prem Amro. Am means mango. So, devotee like that. They want to enjoy, to serve Supreme Lord, Divine Couple, Radha Krishna. Therefore, the Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami is just explaining to us, Bhakto like a kuhu bird, they are taking always sweet fruits, sweet mango, not sour mango. Abhagiya Gyani Ashadaya Shushka Gyan Krishna Premamrita Pan Kare Bhagavan. Abhagiya means who has no good fortune, who has bad fortune. Abhagiya. Who is Abhagiya? Gyani. Why? Because they are trying to get the taste of Sushma Gyan, means dry knowledge. Dry knowledge. Sushma Gyan means dry knowledge. Why dry knowledge? If you touch sun ray, means sunlight, you can feel a little bit, not immediately. If you stay some time, then you can feel a little bit hot, little bit. But you cannot get the real feeling of sun. Very huge temperature. So, ray, Supreme Lord's body's ray, they are merged. And they are feeling that they merge with the Lord, they become God. Therefore, the abhagya, this is not our eternal identity. Therefore, the abhagya, the bad fortune, misfortune, who's Gyani, who is, therefore they are getting in the taste of Shushma Gyan. Shushma means dry, then no tasting. Krishna Premamrita Pan Kare Bhagavan. A devotee, they are drinking the nectar of Krishna's lotus feet. You know, why I am telling so Krishna's lotus feet, nectar of Krishna's lotus feet, why I am telling so? Krishna's entire body is full of sweet mellow. Therefore, you can see there is a song, actually name is actually Madhurastakam. Adharam Madhuram. Everything sweet. Nothing bitter, nothing sour, nothing fire. All sweets. Therefore you can see most of the devotees, they like to eat sweet. You know, I have seen my spiritual master. You know, when I came first day as his personal servant, when I engaged by himself, he engaged me to serve him personally. So that day, you know, according to my understanding, one bowl of milk, how much if you make it, you know, if you add some sugar, the 1 spoon sugar is enough. I put 1 spoon, then no sweet, put more sugar. And 1 more spoon, I think, and no sweet. Then half of the bowl, fill it up with sugar. Then I said, Gurudev, you are more than 90 years old. So if you drink such type of sweet, you can get blood sugar, diabetic. You are foolish. She replied like this, you are foolish. I know. Why? Because after 60, if you have no diabetes, you never get diabetes. So give me the sweet. Really, first day, I become surprised to see his taste of sweet. He likes lots of sweets. Even he was 100-year-old, he used to take minimum 6, 7, 8 pieces Rasagulla after evening arati. In the evening arati, take Rasagulla. Therefore you can see we are offering Rasagulla every day. When I used to cook for him, means this temple they have cooking, they have everything, but he has own deities, means Saligram, Giriraj, Gomoti. So he used to prepare he liked to take his own way. So therefore he told me to prepare some dal, chutney, and very soft rice, and one sabji. So he instructed me accordingly. I am preparing. Rice means super soft. Maybe half an hour should boil with full of water. Super soft. Put in mouth and it was like a melt. Such type of. Such rice have to cook and offer to Lord. And dal means super sweet. Sweet dal. More than Jagannatha sweet dal. Means more sweeter than Jagannatha sweet dal. Chutney means, chutney means there is, the mangoes and date, raisins and tomato mixing chutney. Plus you have to add sugar. You can see how my mango is super. Mango mixing with good, it's called amsatta. I don't know the English called. Amsatta means mangoes juice, they make paste with good, melons. Such type of amsatta, date, raisins, tomato and also apple. Mixing together with sugar, this is also. And green papaya and potato, sugar with adding sugar, that sabji. That time I also like to take sweet. Plus Rasagulla every day, plus sweet dahi, everything sweet. Never fire. It is really strange for me, but I love sweet, therefore I got diabetes. Because I love sweet, that people are, because he likes sweet, people are giving sweet to him. Every day, one big basket, maybe whoever coming to see him, they are bringing a sweet box. We are offering to Lord. And then, at the end of the day, when I look, so many sweets are there, I just take any sweet. Therefore I became diabetic now. Diabetic problem. So, Krishna Premamritapan Kare Bhagavan. Bhagavan means devotees. Devotees who wants to serve Lord by their own hand, not in mind. Not in mind to march, mind to stay near to Lord, same abode of Lord. Not like that. Serve Lord. So Krishna Premamrita. When they are able to serve Lord, when they have Krishna Prem. What is Krishna Prem? Krishna Prem is very difficult to define with our language. Just Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Chitta Suddhi Sarva Bhakti Sadhanadagam Krishna Premadagam Premamrita Ashadan Krishna Prapti Sevamrita Samudra Majja. Krishna Premamrita Prema Amrita, loving nectarian ocean of service. This devoted driving there, drove over there, or we can say jump over there. So therefore, here explanation like this. So who become devotee of Lord, they are really fortunate, because that is our eternal identity. Then Krishna Katha Lochanaya Ubhay Ratri Japan. That discussion. After that, several discussion is there. And that is explained here. Then they are chanting and dancing together in the same room like Shiva Sangam they used to do. Same thing they are doing that. Who is this? Raya Ramananda and Lord Chaitanya. Therefore he says, here Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Ei mata dui jan Krishna katha rangi Nitya gito rodone hoilo ratri sheshe. Ei mata dui jan Krishna katha rase Krishna katha ras Nitya gito rodone hoilo ratri sheshe. Raya Ramananda and Lord Chaitanya, this melodious conversation about Krishna's glories, they are passing whole night. And Nitya Gita, Nritya, Nairita, Nitya dancing, Gita, singing, Rodone, crying, dancing, singing and crying with such melodious manner. Ratri Sese means whole night pass away. Is it possible? First day, if you are not sleeping, one night not sleeping, next day you will have to sleep. Like every day I get up 2:30 early morning because I want to attend Mangalarti before Arati. I want to finish my Gayatri. Because daytime I want to plan another, so many things are coming. And usually I am taking nap after taking lunch. Today sun's solar eclipse, 9 o'clock to 3:05 or 3:10 or 10 past 3. Almost 6 hours we are sitting and chanting, congregation chanting. Then I just feel all energy lost. Because hot, so many rust on my body, a little less. This aloe vera gel, Subham is placing the blessings coming through aloe vera gel and looks like little bit relief from that. Anyway, so I just know. Then I was thinking this I will give class, Hindi class, 5:40, 6:15. I feel tired. I took prasadam 5 o'clock. I went to there, then oh my God, I just little bit lie down, then I, oh my God, it's 6:30, no time to give class. So look, this, they are night before, they are no sleep, whole day conversation about Krishna, about Tattva, now about Krishna. Second night, same, Nitto Gito Rodone, dancing, Gito means chanting, Rodon means crying. In that way, they are speaking amongst each other and passing whole night. Is it possible for you to do night like this? It's not possible. It is impossible because we have no such type of taste. Especially me, I don't have taste. Therefore I felt tired. I want to take rest. Yes, 5:15 to 6:30. I was thinking to just lie down 15 minutes, then I go for class. No one calling, everybody is sleeping. So this is our material body. They're actually materially conditioned body, material condition. We have to go through. But when you spiritually uplift, then material nature will not affect us. Night after night, we can wake, no problem. With full energy, we can go ahead with our services. So anyway, this is the perfect example. What is the meaning of devotional, nectarian taste? What is the meaning of real devotional taste, which is really nectar? When you get the nectarian taste of devotional practice, then you may never feel tired. Rather, you feel more and more enthusiasm. दोहे निज निज कार्य चलिला बिहाने सन्ध्या काले राय आसी मिलिलार दिने. After whole night over, then Raya Ramananda go back to his home and Mahaprabhu go back to his ritual. All the sannyasi means you have to take bath, you have to finish meditation, we have to finish whatever, meditation is everything, Gayatri, chanting, so many other. Then after finishing, then you put water to Tulsi, circumambulance, all that spiritual ritual, whatever we are following, we have to follow that. There is no excuse. So they are doing. Therefore they say, Dohe nija nija karya cholila bihane. They are going back. Ramananda was governor. He should maintain his royal activities. Again, whole day they are performing all their duties, responsibilities. And Shandha Kale Raya Simedilar Dine. Evening time, Raya Ramananda again come and meet with Lord Chaitanya. So again we'll meet tomorrow 7:30. I hope so. Also today we have one more program which is arranged by Bolivian devotees. So I'll come down here in June, right? June, and also this, what is the name? Facebook. Facebook also. So Facebook also will come down here 9 o'clock, just half an hour after. Hope to see you again. Hare Krishna.